Thank you very much for joining me for the first episode of Let's Get Good. And this is a stream where we will work on a pattern, a single pattern together, and get good at it using perfect practice. More on that in a little bit. So today's pattern that we're going to work on is the double paradiddle. Now, if you haven't played a double paradiddle before, here's how it goes. A single paradiddle, you might remember, is a combination of single strokes and double strokes. One pair of singles, right, left, followed by a double stroke, right, right. And then the same on the left side, left, right, and then left, left. So the double paradiddle is the same idea. Now the name of the double paradiddle actually kind of tells you how to play it. A double, meaning two, para, two pairs of single strokes followed by a diddle, or a double stroke. So you play two pairs of single strokes, or four singles in all. Right, left, followed by a diddle, a double stroke. Right, right. So let's try that together. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Let's try saying it with me. Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Let's do one more time. Ready? Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right. And now we'll go ahead and do the same thing, but this time on the left-hand side. In case you haven't already figured it out, I'm doing my hands as mirror image to the camera. So this will be my right, this will be my left. So now we'll do four singles starting with the left, and then there will be a double stroke on that side too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then double stroke. Let's try it again. Here we go. Left, right, left, right, left, left. And let's do it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Left, right, left, right, left, left. Now we'll go ahead and play two double paradiddles back to back. So you start with the right hand one, and when you end with its double stroke, you go right on to starting the left hand one. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Here we go. Good morning. Right, left, right, left, right, right, then left, right, left, right, left, left. Good morning, Kevin. Good to see you joining me this morning. Here we go. And good morning, Dad. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Again. Right, left, right, left, right, right, and then left, right, left, right, left, left. So four singles and then a double, followed by four singles and a double. So let's look at it again. Singles just, again, fancy name for back and forth. A double stroke just means you do two on one side before you switch to the other hand. So let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, double paradiddles. Right, left, and again, right, left, and then right, right. Now left, right, left, right, left, left. Let's see if we can do it 2 times in a row. Ready? Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, and now left, right, left, right, left, left. Now back to the right. Left, right, left, right, right, and now left, right, left, right, left, left. All right, and if you haven't already been doing so, I encourage you to say this as you go. Say the rights and the lefts. It's a great way to internalize or memorize, make part of you this pattern. And this is a pattern you're going to want to have memorized. It's a fantastic one. Here we go. Let's try it this time. Let's see if we can do it 4 times, slightly faster. 1, 2, ready. Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. Now left, right, left, right, left, left. One more time. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. All right, let's take it on to the drum set. Okay, so we're going to take the right stick and play it on how about the middle tom-tom? Left hand will be on the snare. If you're playing on your legs, just use a different leg for each hand. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Then left, right, left, right, left, left again. Right, left, right, left, right, right. And then left, right, left, right, left, left. Back to right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. One more time. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. If you're joining us, go ahead and say hello in the chat. It's great to have you here with us. So we're looking at the double paradiddle. Right, left, right, left, right, right, followed by left, right, left, right, left, left. 4 single strokes and then a double stroke. So now let's go ahead and do this slightly differently. Let's play the first double paradiddle down here, the floor tom-tom and the snare. If you're playing on your legs, go ahead and play those ones down here, kind of up your thigh a little bit. And then for the second double paradiddle, we're going to move it out to the cymbals. So if you're playing on your legs, just move out to your knees. So it's going to look like this. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Then left, right, left, right, left, left. Back to right, left, right, left, right, right, up to left, right, left, right, left, left. Let's try it a few times, and now we're going to put on a metronome. Let's see. So I'm going to put on the metronome to give us a nice steady beat to go with. Okay, let me just change one thing here. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. I'm sorry, let's do it now up to the cymbal. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, let's try one more speed. Let's bump it up a little bit to 100 beats per minute. We're going at 1 hit per click, so trying to take it pretty easy. Always want to feel comfortable and relaxed with this. That's kind of the main principle of perfect practice, is you want to practice things intelligently. You want to practice so it always feels comfortable to play, even when it's brand new. So you always slow it down to where it feels really easy to do, not just one time, but a few times in a row. And easy has to mean you feel relaxed. You feel, oh yeah, I've got plenty of time to think about what comes next, so that eventually you don't have to think about what comes next. It comes automatically, and you'll have a nice track record of doing it really, really well. So here we go. 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right. Now to the left, left, and back to the drums. Right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. And again, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Now because these are shorter streams that we're doing now for Let's Get Good and some of the other upcoming episodes of other streams today, I'm not going to go through a whole bunch of speeds with you. That'll be something for you to do on your own. Just start it slow, feel really, really comfortable, and then work up by small increments, small increases in the metronome speed, because that will really help you just feel comfortable and always get lots of good, comfortable repetitions. You can play that anywhere around the drum set too. So I encourage you to take that, explore it, try it out. Here's what it looks like a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And faster yet. And it can go quite a bit faster than that too. So I'd like to finish this stream by showing you one way that you could use this as a groove. A great way to take any pattern and turn it into a groove, a drum set groove that could back a song, that would fit in some sort of song. This one's kind of different because it has 6 notes in it, so it'll usually work really well for songs that have kind of this feel: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. An easy way to take something like this and turn it into a groove is simply put the right hand up on a cymbal and the left hand on the snare, or if you're left-handed, just reverse it. So if I play the double paradiddle here, I get right, left, right, left, right, right, followed by left, right, left, right, left, left. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. And if I keep repeating that, I've got myself a nice little groove. A very simple way to now turn that into a full drum set groove is I'll take the very first note of the right hand double paradiddle and play a bass drum at the same time. So that coordination is just right hand and right foot together. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Try just that much with me. 1, 2, ready, slowly. Right, left, right, left, right, right. And then the next thing will be just to continue on into the left hand double paradiddle. That one you don't need a bass drum. So 1, 2, here it goes. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Now a bass drum. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Bass, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Bass, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. And again, take it slowly enough that it's easy for you to do. Then match up the speed with a metronome, and you can find a free metronome app for whatever device you're using, either in the Apple Store for iPads or iPhones, or in the Android or Amazon or other stores for PC or Android devices. Let me finish up by showing you what this looks like a little bit faster. You might notice one little detail is when I get to the left double paradiddle, I'm playing that first left hand, I'm starting it a little higher, so it's a little louder than all the other hits, and that turns it into something that really grooves. So here it is, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. I'm going to go a little faster, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, ready, go. And it's kind of a cool groove. It can either be felt as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Sorry, wrong groove. Or it can be felt as 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So that's kind of the idea. So that's a great way to get started with the double paradiddle. Again, don't try to play it that fast until you feel really comfortable and you've worked up through the different speeds. But once you have, the sky is kind of the limit as far as how far you can take it. All kinds of ways you can play that double paradiddle around the drum set, so I encourage you to explore that.